Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2016 Toyota Yaris. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.